How to block someone on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can block someone on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Blocking someone on Snapchat is fairly easy. Open up the Snapchat application and log into your account. Then just come to this little chat stack icon that you can find here. Now obviously you will have a list of people that maybe you might want to block. All you have to do is long press on a certain person that you would like to block here, then tap on Manage Friendship. From Manage Friendship, you'll find the option called Block. So you can tap the block option, then just tap on block, and then this person will get successfully blocked on Snapchat. This way you can block someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.